Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is practices to minimize virus infection in ridge. The crop is at fruiting stage. The vine is supported with the bamboo netting. So we can make small suggestion to this farm that we can apply the 250 ppm of ethyl to the plants so that we can reduce the fruit drop and increase the size and length of the fruits. And another practice, like we can suggest the pinching the main stem above the 12th node. We can pinch out so that number of fruit bearing branches will be increased on the plant. Some plants are infected with the mosaic virus. It is common in rainy season. The symptoms like yellowing of leaf veins and leaf blades and stunted growth of the plant. In severe case, we can see the young leaves also turns into yellow and becomes reduced size. There is no way to control the virus. Only way is to minimize the spread of the virus. First, how it spreads? It spreads through the seed, vectors like aphids, gesseeds, thrips, and farm implements and tools, and also from the previous crop inoculum. So, how can we prevent its spread? By seed treatment with the Pseudomonas fluorescens 10 grams per kg, or by taking proper care during nursery. Firstly, cover nursery with insect proof net of 40 to 60 mm size mesh. Use of pro-trace or polybags instead of raising in the soil ensures virus free seedling production. And also in main field preparation, we can add some suggestions like Pseudomonas fluorescens 2.5 kg per hectare and neem cake 250 kg per hectare. Application broadly spraying in the field and following proper crop rotations, soil drenching with humic acid. Avoid close planting and mulch with black polythene. Vector also controlled by installation of blue sticky taps and yellow sticky traps throughout the field, and chemicals like imidacloprid also we can apply last stage for control of aphids and thrips.